Hi everyone, I have an unboxing. I had 2 items delivered today, so I wanted to open those up with you. Let me see. I'm not exactly sure. I know I bought a couple things from Poshmark. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, cute little box. Let's see. Okay, thank you for buying your pre-loved jewelries. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is another one of those safety chains that say love always on them. Something fell out of the box. Cool. And it's still got the tag on it from the store. Okay, nice. Let's see. Okay, so that was what was in that box. Now the next one. Open this one up. Grab some scissors. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have a kitten, Christmas kitten. Still has the tag on it. Cute. Let's see. There's the Christmas kitten. A kitten with a Santa Claus hat and a little gift. And then I have one of the retired older stockings that I still said I needed a couple of those still. So I think now I'm going to need one more. Yay, one more. And I'll be able to put these on those chains that I've got, the Christmas chains for my granddaughters. Okay, got that. Let's see what this one is. Well, I need some scissors. Okay. And this is another one of the retired snowmen. So that means I need 2 more of those. And then, oh, need my scissors again. This one is a letter to Santa. And it says, I've been good. I've been good. Nice. To Santa, North Pole. Cute, very cute. Okay, so I'm not gonna I'm going to clean a few things and show you how I clean things. So I'll clean the older ones. First thing I do is I put them in warm soapy water. And I will let those set for just a few minutes. I use, let me see if I can get this. Okay, I use the 7th generation natural dish liquid. It's free and clear of dyes and chemicals. Harmful chemicals, that is. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview. I use a very soft toothbrush. If you don't have one of the Pandora brushes, which I do, but I'm just going to show you how to do this with just a plain old soft toothbrush. And then I have a little dish of warm clean water. And then I just these look pretty clean. Cute. I'm getting more and more of the ones that I need. And I also need one of those One More I Love You charm with the gold heart. So I've got my eye out on those for that one too. Okay, so just get them out of the soapy water. I only had 3 to clean. Just brush them down. I like the oxidation, and I know some people don't like that, but I really like it because I feel like it pronounces the character to the charm. Okay, so I have them in this warm, clean water. I'm going to get them out of that, lay them right here. The jewelry store where I originally was getting all of my charms, they recommended this cloth. They sold them there. They told me this cloth right here would be fine for silver. This was the cloth they recommended. So I went ahead and bought that cloth from them. But I do have some different cloths ordered that I will be getting soon. So what I do is if I see anything on the charms that I don't like, I will just maybe even I try not to do much rubbing like this on a cloth because some people feel that it may rub off silver. I don't know. I don't know if they're right. I don't know if they're wrong. So, and then after I've wiped them down, I leave them so that the hole is straight up. So if there's any extra water inside of them, it will drain out. And I normally don't do anything once I've put them on this cloth to drain out any extra moisture. I'll leave them like this overnight because I just don't want them to have moisture in them when I put them up. So this one, I probably don't need to do too much to that one. And then my safety chain, I will clean the safety chains the same exact way also. I put them in the warm soapy water. The only thing I won't put in the warm soapy water is pearls. And I really do not like to leave the cabochon style stones. I don't like to leave those in water for very long because I'm afraid that they will collect moisture or it will somehow loosen the stones, because I'm sure those are all glued in there. So again, this is the liquid I use. It's clear, and that's how I clean my gemstones, my charms. Thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.